All right, we are back at it. Episode number 2. We are going from zero to hero, absolute beginner at Forza Motorsport, and we're gonna see how long it takes us to get a podium finish as an absolute beginner sim driver. So I'm here, I got my Gumball 3000 shirt on. Last episode didn't really go the way we wanted, but it gave us an idea on where we stand. We're driving the Honda Civic LA racing car, which is really cool, super fun to drive. Since last episode, I found a video on YouTube, went in, explained a nice tune setting for this car. So I did an install on that. Drove a couple laps, tried to film a video, but I was all over the track. The car handled completely different, and I then went into the tune and changed a couple things myself, just so it kind of fit me a little bit better. So we're back at it, episode 2. We're going straight to Spa for some redemption, and we're gonna see what we can do today. Here we go, Spa, you know the drill, full circuit, noon, clear, 5 laps, nice and competitive, 23 other racers. Let's do it. Here we go. Get nice and comfy. Got my winter gloves on. They're just like a nice thin glove with a grip on the hand, so I've been using those. I need to get myself a setup because it seems I've been taking this a little bit more serious and serious each day. So here we are, you know the drill. I don't know how much this actually helps, but I think mentally it gives us a little bit of faith. Let's leave 6 laps just in case we push it and it's off a little bit. I don't know how accurate that is. That's it. Difficulty all the way, baby. Let's get it. And no assist. We're driving straight raw. All right, let's see what type of launch we can get here. Try to gain as many positions as we can. I think we'll try to take it wide. Okay. Yeah, if we can get a position here. Okay, brake. Okay. Okay, I think that was pretty good. Okay. All right. So that, guys, keep it calm. So pretty much this tune just made the steering so much more tight and just the car really more all in, dialed in. All around, my bad. Let's take this corner. Okay. Okay, so lost control there. Still P12. We're right there. We're right there. This corner's tight. Let's try to go in as quick as little contact. All right, we're still in it. And remember, they're all faster than us, these guys, so once they take off, there's really no catching them. We have to stay with them early and stay dialed in. That guy's on my tail. Okay, accelerate. They're pushing. And this is where they really take off. Okay. Okay. Oh man, it's literally trying to just be on the throttle as much as possible. Okay. They're starting to really pull, but looks like we're getting a little distance behind us. Okay. Looks like a pile up right there. Okay. I feel like that was good. I feel like that was good. Okay. So P12, guys, this is a jump. Okay. I feel like that was really good. That was a good corner. It felt fast. Yeah, 1.6 seconds quicker. All right. So can we get top 10? Okay, that was a little wide. It's all right. We recovered. All right, let's dial in here. I think if we play it safe, there's a potential we might gain a position. If not, we hold P12, and I think that's a win in itself. Oh my Lord. See, this is the thing, the suspension is a lot tighter, and this is what I was telling you guys, is almost every corner I was hitting with this car before. Oh, I'm sorry, I'm just trying to focus. So yeah, when I just put the tune on, every corner I'd hit, I'd lose control just like that. So yeah, this car is starting to gain behind us because we're making mistakes, and that's where it's hard for me to talk at the same time. Oh my Lord. Okay. It's really just knowing the limits of the car. The car drives the exact same, it's just a lot tighter and more responsive. So when you're taking corners at an extreme speed, it's easy to lose control. You need to be very balanced on how you maneuver it. And yeah, we've lost the cars in front of us, so at this point, I think if we can hold P12 and try to come back fighting in the next race, I think we're definitely a contender for the top 10, without a doubt. And it's really just that, like, we've got this corner under control. It's that quick chicane at the end of the straightaway that is really throwing us some trouble. I was off throttle a little bit there, but that was pretty in control, I'd say. A little bit slower. Yeah, the cars, they're already hitting the corner, and we just started the straightaway, so we're definitely not going to be catching them. Okay. So if we could have hit it like that every single lap, we would be top 10. But that's what it takes. The little mistakes that I'm making currently, okay. A little too aggressive there. And he's trying to overtake. You guys can, I don't know if it will show on the screen or not, but the little prompts that come up to show where the other car is, just so we don't run into them. All right. And this isn't bad. Like, I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I actually tried to film this race 2 times before this, and I severely crashed and we ended up last place. And I knew we had more than that. We're not a last place driver by the means. We're definitely in the fight, but it's just about controlling the car. And you can see even in this race, we had a couple questionable corners, but we've been able to hold it together for the most part. Oh, I'm not paying attention, sorry. Oh, I'm really not paying attention. The wall got closer than I thought. I don't know if I threw it in 6 too early, I might have. But that corner was quick. You can see they're coming up quick on us. The Hyundai. Okay. So you almost have to hit the brakes heavy early in the straightaway and then coast in 3rd gear. That's what seems to work for us. Trail the brakes into the corner, give it a little gas. That felt slow, but in control at the same time. We've put distance. We've put distance in between us, so that's a good sign. I don't think. Nope. That was a bad corner. Okay, we gotta hold it together. Coming up onto our last lap. Took it a little. They might try to push. They are trying to push. There's always one car that's like on it. I swear the last one, it was the Volkswagen. The GTI or whatever, the Golf R. Okay. I realize it's in miles per hour as well. We're here in Canada, so we use kilometers. I just put it in miles because the guy with the tune had his in the different units, so I changed it just so I could have mine accurate, and I forgot to change it back. Oh well. As long as we're in front of the car behind us, I feel like that's all that matters. Oh, they came up quick. Yeah, they're trying to push. So this is the last lap. We gotta hold this position, guys. P12. This is a massive gain regardless. Again, not the results we absolutely wanted, but this is a massive gain. Trust me, to all the races that's led up to this, me trying out these settings with the new tune, I was crashing all over the place. Like that first big the chicane or whatever you call it, the uphill one, like I was crashing all over the place. I was crashing on that, I was crashing here into the sand, and I couldn't even hold it together. So the fact we made it this far, okay. A little bit of a drift there. Hold it all together. Looks like someone overtook the Hyundai. I don't know if that's a Mercedes. It almost looks like a Mercedes. I'm not sure what it is. But he was on us at the beginning of the race. I remember seeing him. Let's focus these last few corners. Maybe we'll just make this on a series at Spa. Honestly, that seems like a great idea. From zero to hero at Spa with 100% AI competition. See how long it takes us? We're an absolute beginner driver. Trust me guys, behind the scenes, it's taken us a lot longer. But this is our second full race. Let's not crash this lap. I just wanted to make sure we slow down. But that's where you notice the tune. Like corners like that, it is tight. Here we go. Bring it home, baby. P12. Come on now. What a race. Circuit de Spa. Now let's see here. Not too shabby. P12. You can see all those cars in front are a whole different class. S-Class or A-Class. Yeah, almost 10 seconds. So, crazy. Nice and happy. P12. We want to be on the podium. We will be there soon enough. Guys, we're going to go ahead and end the video here, and we will be back at it again. Episode number 3. And we're going to breach that top 10, let me tell you. Look at that. Let's go, baby. All right, guys. We will be back in episode number 3. Peace out.